Hello guys and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about Fameex, which is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and a massive giveaway that they've got going on right now. Obviously nothing I talk about on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the Fameex website, which is linked down below in the description, you can see that it looks fairly similar to a number of different crypto exchanges that are out there. But we're going to take a look at a few of the different features and how you can win some rewards for joining up today. So looking down below, you can see that they work with all the major cryptocurrency pairs. There's various different services and things available. They have turbo match, vault protection, professional team, which is always key. You need 24/7 support if you're going to be dealing with any of these exchanges, as well as that global community, so supported wherever you are in the world. And there's various different apps that you can get it from, so you can keep up to date with your trades, etc. from a phone. You don't need to use a laptop. So one thing I want to take a look at first of all is a share of 100,000 USDT prize pool. Now obviously crypto NFTs etc, you need a bit of money to invest in them initially, but actually sometimes they come with free money that you can basically get just from signing up for platforms, and it's how I got started in crypto a long time ago and how you could perhaps do the same. So jumping down below, all you need to do is register on Fameex to get 2 USDT. Then by completing the KYC, you get another $1, and then you can earn $17 based on the following rules. Depending on the amount that you are willing to deposit, you put $20 down, you get $2, $1,000, you get $5, and then so on. Then as well, once you start trading on the platform, you can earn up to 30 USDT, and then futures trading another 35 USDT. So you can see that although they're kind of in small increments, it actually starts to add up once you do this. And there's also opportunities where you can refer your friends and family, and then they can win money and you can win money as well as doing that. Okay, so looking in closer to the spot trading, in order to earn a 30 USDT, first time trading volume of more than $1,000 will get you a 5 USDT. Total trading volume of more than 5,000 will get you 10, and then so on. All of this information can be available, guys. All you got to do is come over to the website and check it out, and you can see all of that here if you want to find out more. There's also from the futures trading, more than $2,000 for $5, and then you get the gist. If you're going to use more money, you can get more as well. And inviting friends, you can get up to 50 USDT, which is probably a lot less risky and a lot easier than getting involved in the trading, and a great way for you to be able to earn some rewards. Now once you join up through this link up here, you've then got 120 hours to complete the competition, and any rewards you earn will be paid in full the next day at around 4 p.m. So first of all, let's take a look at some of the other features on this platform in order to see whether it's worth coming over and actually using this platform for our kind of trading, etc. And we can see that we can buy all the different types of crypto. It is KYC, which is good because it kind of means it's a bit safer, more reliable. There's lots of problems at the moment with non-KYC platforms. You can also buy here using USD. So looking here, guys, you can buy in all sorts of different world currency, from not only the major pairs to all sorts of different ones. So wherever you are in the world, you're probably going to be able to find your currency here. And here you can see that you'll pay through a Coinify. Here you can see the kind of markets here, so easy enough to just transition through there. We've got spot, and we've also got futures trading. And then to go into one of the charts, etc., all you need to do is click on it, and it's going to bring up this page, which is pretty similar to something that you might find on, say, Binance or another platform like that. Obviously here you can see I haven't logged in or registered, but if I did, then I would just have the same sort of market limit order potentials that I can there. And you can see I can open my positions here in terms of the amounts and things like that. What's nice to see, guys, is pretty user friendly, very similar to something that you might find over on TradingView, and it's good that it's all found in one place. Now, obviously, once you've then won your rewards, guys, you can then use that money to come over and do some trading with. Obviously, if you don't know about trading, perhaps not necessarily the best thing for you to be doing, because trading is extremely risky and can be quite difficult. But if you are able to learn how to trade, it can be a great thing to learn, because ultimately, if you're able to trade, it's kind of a skill that you can use forevermore in order to make yourself an income. There's various sort of types of leverage, etc., available on the platform. Going out to pretty high leverages. Personally, I would never do super high leverage, because it's a great way to get yourself wiped out extremely fast. So don't take risks that are too big. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, and ultimately there's no need to use any money that you can't afford to lose, because then you're going to put yourself in a bit of a sticky situation. So guys, all you need to do to create an account, click on the link down below in the description, come across, fill out your email, password, email verification code, which will take literally 30 seconds, and then you have to do a bit of KYC, filling in a bit of personal details, an address, etc., as well as maybe providing some proof of address, etc., which can all be completed in less than a few minutes. And then you can then go and take part in all of the competitions and giveaways in order to make yourself some free USDT. Remember, it's only the first 1,000 customers, so make sure you get across early and get in with doing that competition if you want to get a chance to win the USDT. So just to recap, Fameex is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world with lots of different opportunities for you to be able to win giveaways. So make sure you head across the link down below in the description to do that now. It's one of the most secure platforms with plenty of customer support and all the things you expect from a top cryptocurrency platform. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's crypto video about Fameex. Make sure you do smash the like button if you did. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to crypto and you want to learn more about crypto, NFTs and the metaverse, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video.